Peter says we have a bird in Australia that mimics all other birds and people's voices and nature sounds. It's called the lyra bird. Lyra bird or lyra? And you mentioned owls. Yesterday, I found a live feed of a great horned owl. And I watched it for quite a while. What a beautiful, interesting bird. It would open its eyes, it would turn its head, but it was like up in the rafters like of a building or something, and there's a camera there. It was beautiful, you guys, beautiful. Owl up close and personal. Your internet keeps going out, Terry? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I filmed a lyra bird a few years ago. It was amazing. I got it as an upload. The title's called Amazing Birds. Sounds of lyra bird mimicking. It was the best experience I've had filming. It's on your channel? Hi, Tina. Tina. Amazing bird sounds. I will look for it. Thanks, Peter. We have mockingbirds that copy other birds and cats, but not people. Mockingbirds, yeah. I don't think I've ever seen one. I need to get like I need to get like a book or something of birds and what they look like. Although I found an app a couple weeks ago. It was all about birds, what they look like, what they sound like. Oh, you guys, is anybody friends with Anne's Place? I think she's doing a live this morning. I forgot. I better check. This bird sounds like imitation of saws and children crying and camera shutter. Oh, wow. That's really cool, Peter. I sent a package out and tagged one of our stuff with me. Oh, that's terrible, Derry. That's terrible. Where are you planning to move to? Just away from the beach. She's moving to Australia. No. Just away from the beach, Berry. It's just getting too expensive. Oh, look at the bird. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Look at the bird. Did you see it? Did you get to see it? Oh my God, it went right over top of us.